Although I strive to be 100% vegan, you can click on any one of these videos here to see me critique radical vegans, as I have for many years now.
Look at that cat. Look at that cat, radical vegans. Radical vegans who sympathize for all animals. Look at this cat. Climbing that tree. Going up there to kill that bird. And you know what? Oh my god, he's climbing so much. I bet there's even a nest in that tree. And I can guarantee you if this cat... That's hilarious. Oh man, you're so funny, kitty. Oh man. I mean, you're funny, but let's be honest. I mean, your intention is to murder birds. Murder birds. Okay, let's just not play games here. Oh, it's a kitty. You know, I have trouble, you know, we ever see those commercials, oh, at the cat shelter. Oh my god. He means business. Kitty, you don't know how to get out, bro? You know, cat shelter. And you show like the cats suffering and we're all supposed to get all warm-hearted. Because, you know, animal rights and animal welfare.
Last year, more than 30,000 companion animals came to us without homes.
And yet, you know, if you're like the radical vegan type, and you sympathize with cats and dogs, why would you sympathize with them if they are murdering psychos who literally hunt and kill other animals? I think that although I like veganism, and I am striving to become 100% vegan, because I think if you have the choice, you should just remove animal products from your diet. You really just should. It's the logically consistent thing to do, because if you love your dog and you love your cat, I mean, let's just be honest, if when your dog dies, you're going to cry like a bitch, because you're so sad, yet you're going to make an exemption and eat bacon because you like the taste of salty, fatty things in your mouth, you're just not being very consistent. If you care that much about your dog when he dies, it shows you have compassion for animals. And it really brings into question your choice to eat meat. So it's just a matter of being logically consistent. Fuck morality, fuck ethics, just be logically consistent. So yeah, I mean, why pity a cat when they're murdering psychopaths? Just one of the many radical vegan inconsistencies.
That's not very traditional, and you know, I think that a man should really pay for the first date.
Fuck that. We're splitting the bill.